Hi folks, Roch from High Techniques here in Louth, County Louth. There's a housing estate going on there and the background. There's the little steeple ahead. We have a machine control being fitted, Unicontrol being fitted to a Hyundai 220L, and it's been calibrated here. Anthony, our fitter, has been calibrating it this morning, yesterday and this morning, and it'll be up and running this afternoon. He has a Zip 20 total station, just calibrating a few things. So if you look at a few stickers, calibrating the boom, calibrating the bucket, and that'll be machine control. Sorry about the video quality here. That'll be up and running now, and you can see the two GPS points, top 1 and 2 there at the back. So Moyry have got a GPS Zenith60, and they're going to be setting out their houses, boundary walls, all their services, and they're also going to be using that baby for their cut and fill, as this is an elevated site. It's, you know, grading off down. You can see the amount of stockpiles there in the background. It'll be very useful for this site because it'll be too hard to follow it just without just having a one man. So here we are, GPS, machine control. You can see all the kit on site making a difference. Okay, signing off.